Horses out. We've got Purple in the pass to begin. Down on the inside is Taguma. C Bisquick is down in third, and followed by Remind Me. Down on the inside, Being Mine, then followed over by Taguma. And that's still Purple in the by about 3 lengths. C Bisquick in second, 3 lengths. So in third, moving up the now is Taguma. Alongside Remind Me, Kamikaze. And that's still Purple in the by out a length, getting up. C Bisquick still in second, and in third, moving up now is Taguma as they come down at the last 150. And that's still Purple in the and on the outside is C Bisquick. Racing in third is Taguma. Purple in the C Bisquick fighting it out for the lead. We have C Bisquick on the outside, down on the inside, Purple in the Taguma is on the outside. C Bisquick this time by the lane getting up. And finally it's C Bisquick second, Purple in the Tagum, then comes Remind Me. Number 6 Being Mine.
So dehado, si Bisquick ang ating winner